Space is beautiful, but it's also terrifying. These aren't sci-fi nightmares, these are real science-backed facts about space that are downright creepy. Ready to lose a little sleep? Here are 10 terrifying space facts that'll haunt you tonight. First up, there's a giant cloud in the center of the Milky Way that smells like rum and death. It's a massive cloud of gas containing ethyl formate, a chemical found in ants and corpses. Sweet and terrifying. Next, space is completely silent. There's no sound in space. If you scream, no one hears you. There's literally no air to carry your voice. You could be floating in front of someone, dying, in total silence. Ever heard of spaghettification? If you fall into a black hole, gravity pulls your body apart atom by atom, feet first, until you're nothing but a cosmic noodle. Some stars die and come back to life. They're called zombie stars. They explode, collapse, and then reignite by sucking energy from nearby stars. Basically, they're space vampires. Then there's Gliese 436b, a planet made entirely of burning ice. It's made of ice, but it's also on fire. Gravity keeps the water molecules locked in place while the surface burns at over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. One day, the moon will leave us. It's drifting away from Earth at 1.5 inches per year. Eventually, that'll mess up tides, seasons, and maybe even life itself. The night sky is literally slipping away. If you drift off in space without a tether, there's no coming back. No resistance, no gravity, just floating forever. Until you run out of oxygen and freeze in the void. Space travel shrinks your brain. Astronauts returning from long missions show brain shrinkage, vision problems, and loss of balance. In zero gravity, your brain literally repositions itself. The coldest place in the universe is man-made. It's not a distant galaxy, it's inside the International Space Station. NASA built a lab colder than space itself, near absolute zero, colder than minus 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Why? To study atomic behavior, and yes, it could probably freeze you in a blink. Finally, the most terrifying theory, it's called the Big Rip. As the universe expands, gravity weakens. Eventually, galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms could be torn apart. It's the universe unmaking itself. Still think space is peaceful? It's quiet, cold, and utterly relentless. And we've barely scratched the surface. Want more terrifying truths about the universe? Subscribe to Verified Genius, where I make science fascinating and a little freaky. Drop a comment. Which fact freaked you out the most?